Alright, here we are, day 2 of having the Jeep. I figure I'll go ahead and, show a little bit of the electrical it has. It currently has 2 alternators on it. This top one is a excess amperage alternator. I'm not sure what amperage that is. Then we got that green alt down there. That's an Iragi. I believe a 320 is what I was told. And from the alternators back, each alt has 2 runs of Sky High 2 alt wire going back to what they have is the battery rack. I'll show you guys that now. And it's better to show you from the other side. There's not a seat in on the other side. Right. Here we are. Here's the battery rack that they got. The battery rack holds 6 D3100s. I doubt I'll ever have that, but hey, we'll see. And the battery rack has the stripper pole attached to it. Those 4 runs from the alt, there's 2 coming up on this side and 2 coming up on the other side. And then from there, from the battery rack back, you have 8 runs of the Sky High 2 alt wire going to the back where we keep the amps and stuff. Come through the side here, and it heads on back. Here we are back here. That's where all the 2 alt to be coming through. Back of the box where I'll mount the 3800 at and any other amps I get in the future. And over here on this driver's side is where the mids and highs amp will go, or amps. In the doors we will have a 10, 6.5, and a tweet. That's in each door. And there will be a set of components directly behind, right here, directly behind your head, built into the wall like that. And of course the main attraction is right there.